Hey, my name is Josiah. Just started this channel recently, Bricket. Tonight, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a build and review, a quick review for one of the newest LEGO Ideas sets, the Medieval Blacksmith. So let's get going on that. Here's Happy Italian. Okay, so obviously you just watched the build. Here's the finished product. Just wanted to go through it. First of all, this took me between 4 and 5 hours, probably closer to 5 hours to build total. And that was with me filming, so probably would have been a little bit quicker. Got the main building, got the wagon. The minifigures, I believe they're all unique to this set. So you got the Blacksmith here, and you got this archer, female archer. I'm assuming his wife. And then you got these two knights, Black Falcon knights. And I haven't had knight sets the ones that I do have are from when I was much younger. So all the designs for their armor, helmets, swords are all brand new to me. But we got this guy here. Then we have this female knight as well with her pole axe. Helmet designs are pretty cool, I think. Also, this is my first horse in forever, and the design is definitely improved over the very flat black and white horses that I had when I was younger, or that I have from when I was younger. I got their little wagon, their knapsack in there, and a piece to put on the horse to complete him if he's not pulling the wagon. It's a 3-story. You got the forge out here, lights up if you push on the bellows. Got a battery piece in there. So there's the door to the blacksmith shop. And you got this other door to their quarters, their house. And we'll open it up in just a little bit. Out here, I really think the wood pile is just cool looking in there, protected from the elements. And you got this apple tree with the well. Just lots of fun little details. And on the back of the tree, you got the target there, because the lady likes to shoot her bow and arrow. So she's got that target there. Let's open it up. Again, really cool just design on the outside. All of the fake woodwork and the shingles and the sign. Also, one thing to note, I really don't like stickers in LEGO sets. This set does not have any stickers, so that was great. And the roof isn't really attached. It hooks on with these pieces and sits there pretty secure, but it's not actually attached. It just sits there. So it's really easy to take off, which is nice. This side's a little bit covered up with the awning and the chimney, so we'll turn it around. You got the built bear rug there, the bed with the patchwork quilt, lots of detail on the bed. They've got a little treasure chest in there with a backpack and a compass. And one of them likes to write. There you go. So they got their little writing desk over there, the stool. They've got stairs leading up to this room. So if you go down one layer, take that off. And here's like their living quarters, near their kitchen dining area. Got stuff cooking, got the butter churn, carrot on the table being cut up. There's utensils. You got a butcher knife and a pan there. Food on the table. They've got a keg under the stairs, the candles, and we've got the door over here from the outside. It does have, let's see, a nice wood detailing. Again, no stickers on this set. Everything is printed. And then we'll go down to the last level. And again, these floors take off really easy as well. So in here, you got the workstation. Around. You got the grinding wheel. You got a crate of coal. or I'm assuming that's supposed to be iron. Pile of coal here. Got some tools and a helmet that he's working on. Some black bars iron over here. Another hammer, broom, shovel, anvil with a glowing piece of iron on it. And then here's the forge from the inside. It turns on. And that's about it. I think my favorite things, I love the detailing. I love the architecture design. I love how the roof looks. And I think my wife's favorite part, I really like it too, is this little tree out here in the front with the well.
I love the tree.
Yeah, she says that she loves the tree. She also really likes the bed. She's over there working on her own thing. But yeah, the medieval blacksmith shop. About 2,100 pieces. Again, took me about 5 hours. But it's a really cool one. Thank you for watching this. Forgot, there's a couple other things that I really like. There's the dog. And it's just little, but I really like stuff like this. Got a little frog in the tree. And that's it. Lego Blacksmith Shop.